never get if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares.
Oh, hi. Hi. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we just left from Dee Dee's discount, and we're here back again with the beautiful lady. You didn't introduce yourself the last time.
LaShonda, her cousin, or wife to her cousin. Oh, over here. Time. The weather always changes like crazy. So what's the best way? I'm trying to think. Should I go down 85? No, I'm going down Terra Boulevard. I need to find out which way I need to go to get out of here quick, fast, and in a hurry.
Okay guys, so I think I will be doing the giveaway. So now we're in Target. We're just looking right now, but we're looking for stuff for the giveaway. So probably will have that giveaway.
I could have worn this for with my dress on. Look. Guess this one I like. This one. This is cute. Oh, that looks like furs. Oh, Laura said she wants you to get this.
No, I don't. That's
Oh, they have fanny packs.
fanny pack. Mommy, I want a fanny pack. Yeah. A cute fanny pack. Look. Like this one. Look at this fanny pack. a fanny pack.
Oh, it won't fit around your waist. Your waist is just too small.
You can fix it.
Well, this is on clearance. Why would you like a purse like this one? This is on clearance. You need to look in the clearance. It's not. That is a cute purse. You can fit your little iPad in it.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Nothing
cute.
in here.
I like this too. These are cute to wear like out of town if
So
you're going to the airplane.
this part is clearance?
I don't. No. Just that purse. Let's see. What do you think? Do you think this would go good with my outfits? No. So mean. But it's cute. Let me see. Does it have
That
a little?
one will.
I don't like. No. That's for spring or something. It's cute. This kind of looks like your purse, Lauren. A little bit. Target has just the cutest stuff on the top.
Oh, you can fit just your phone in here.
I love this car. This is a pretty.
Look at this fanny pack, Mommy.
Definitely pack it. Ooh, I like this.
Oh, look at this fanny pack.
Oh, I want a black one. How much is it?
Mommy, look at this fanny pack. Look at this fanny pack.
Christmas wish list. I need to get this. I think I'll get it tomorrow.
Look at this fanny pack, Mommy. Look at this one. This one is pretty.
That is pretty. I do like that.
Mm-hmm.
How much is
People
that
just
one?
wear fanny packs in
Now that's really.
I want to
pretty.
put it up
want
so no
one
one
'cause
gets
it's
it.
in style.
I want to put it up.
How do you get it on? Oh, it's no. You just step into it to take photos. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this one is cute. Let's see. I'm not getting it though, but I'll try it on.
I want to get that.
Danielle wants it.
It don't fit.
You You have to.
They
make
probably
it,
have
make
some
it wider.
more.
You didn't get wider.
Mm-hmm.
And it does fit, but you can make it longer if you want. That's
Wait, can
cute.
I try it on me?
But you see, it has straps right here where you can loosen it or tighten it a little bit. Hold on, I'll show you.
I want that.
You're not getting it right now.
I know, not now, but I
They're not
want
gonna have it.
something
See?
like this.
Like you can make it bigger.
Yeah, that's okay. Look, Mommy.
What in the world? Look at this. It's a collar. Like for your coat.
Oh, they have the brown one.
They do. They do. Lauren. All right, I took a picture.
Ask him if I can get it.
You better try to hide it all of them.
Yeah. Oh, they have some. They have.
The cute Lauren. Look at this backpack.
I want a fanny pack.
Oh, whatever.
Can you ask that?
Lauren, what about this backpack? Look.
I want a fanny.
Okay, I'm gonna hide them.
Remember where you hid it.
I surely will. So you gotta ask Grandma Joan to bring you back to Target.
So I can get the fanny.
You gonna say what?
Where did they go?
No,
What did she say?
I don't
Somebody-
find it.
For Saturday, she said somebody's getting their car.
Those lip chapsticks.
And that's cute. Body mist $8, and then they have these lip glosses $8.
Oh, look, it's a
Buy one,
macaroon
get one
lipstick.
half off.
Look, look. See?
That's a good. Those are good gifts too. Macaroon.
And then those little glitter lips. Oh, look at that phone case. That's pretty. Oh, look, that's a Bob Ross thing.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what that is. What is it? It says happy little accidents.
Oh. Drawing. I think you're drawing. Oh.
Hey, look, I have the same thing. Did you get your jeans from here?
No, I got them from Primark.
They look like yours. I thought they were yours at first.
No, I got these from Primark when I went to Boston.
Oh, look, bath bombs. People like bath bombs.
Party game. Huh?
Jamaican people not have bath bomb, so doesn't make sense. They're not gonna use it.
They're not gonna use that
Perfume. That's fragrant oil.
They probably use this. They probably will use this. Got the
There's a
little
water
Bob Ross thing.
bottle. Little nail polish.
I think think they're probably like something
Oh
like
yeah,
this.
little chokers. What's this? That looks pretty. Oh, it's makeup.
I like the palette.
Did Daddy say I can get it? Oh, yeah, I'll hide it.
Okay, let's hide it in the same place. Let's go back.
I don't think nobody will get these.
No, I think I will put it on the back.
Nobody will get those.
Yeah, that's why I'm putting the back.
Good idea. Then I have money, I can buy it.
I'm trying to get them to hang on.
Uh-oh.
Alright, it's at the back. So I don't think no
We
one
will
will.
remember where we...
It's right at the little scarfy looking things.
like the shawls.
Workout clothes. I need some workout clothes.
Oh, look at those socks.
Do y'all want socks in your the giveaway? Comment down below if you want.
Those are cute socks.
Probably
They should...
these. No. Probably these
These?
or this. I
Very
think this one.
cute.
I'll probably get two. So comment down below if you want socks in the giveaway. Cause I'll make a little gift bag.
And look at those down there, those pretty.
This one or
Yep.
the longer ones?
That one right there.
This.
Yep, those are pretty too.
So I'll probably have these two in the giveaway. I don't want to buy shirts or anything like that because I don't know what size you guys are.
Yeah.
I'll probably buy.
And then they probably won't be able to fit if you give them the wrong size.
Probably get earbuds.
Oh yeah. Earbuds. Oh, look at these. Oh, never mind. Those are bath bombs.
They're not no water. I don't think they're gonna use bat bombs.
Is this the one you want?
No.
I'm joking. Oh, so these are bad.
This is shower gel bath bomb. Or is it not? No, it's wine. Is it say?
Oh, look, it's cotton candy.
Are you filming while I'm talking crazy?
You're not talking crazy.
Oh, that smells so good. Smell it, Laura. Doesn't it smell good? Ooh.
Smells amazing.
If it's a girl, you could do this. You can give them that.
Girl boss.
I don't know, your sister might be like, I want that. Don't give that gift to me. Don't give that gift.
Okay, so we're leaving Target now. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, there it is. So we're leaving Target now and it's time to go home. Okay, so yesterday my voice is going away. So yesterday I realized that I didn't end the vlog, so I'm ending it now. So remember to go and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and be part of the Forever Fam. So I'll see you guys in the next one.